Hey there! Did you know that in 2025 you can earn real money using AI without quitting your job, just 2 hours a day, and you could be on your way to extra income? Now, you might be thinking, AI? That sounds complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Welcome to AI Tech Think. We're not talking about coding complex algorithms here, we're talking about using readily available AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you. In this video, we'll break down some simple side hustles you can start today using AI. Stay tuned. So, you're interested in making some extra cash, maybe even building a whole new income stream? You've heard the stories, right? People quitting their jobs, going all in on some online venture. It's tempting to think that's the only way, that you have to take this huge leap of faith and just hope for the best. But let me tell you, that's just not true. Many people are finding success online, building side hustles that bring in serious income, all while keeping their day jobs. Think of it like this. Your day job is like the solid foundation, the thing that keeps everything stable. Your side hustle? That's where you get to experiment, to explore your passions. And the best part? With the rise of AI, the possibilities for side hustles are exploding. AI tools are becoming more accessible, easier to use, and more powerful than ever before. You can start small, learn as you go, and gradually build up your income without ever having to risk it all. Even just dedicating a couple of hours each day to your side hustle can lead to incredible results over time. With the power of AI at your fingertips, you can build something incredible on your own terms, without the risk. Okay, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but are there real people actually making money with AI? You bet there are. Take Francisco Montano, for example. This guy was working a regular job when he had to leave to take care of his daughter. Now, caring for a child is a full-time job in itself, right? But Francisco needed to find a way to earn an income from home. That's when he stumbled upon the world of AI and video game modifications, or mods. Using AI tools, he started creating these incredible mods for popular games. Now get this, he's earning between $15,000 and $25,000 a month selling these mods. And the best part? He's doing something he loves, spending time with his daughter, and creating something awesome. Francisco's story isn't a one-off. There are countless others out there who are leveraging AI to build successful side hustles. From freelance writing to social media management to even creating entire YouTube channels. These aren't tech geniuses or coding experts. They're everyday people who saw an opportunity and went for it. No matter your situation, no matter your background, you can leverage the power of AI to build a side hustle that works for you. Alright, let's dive into some specific AI side hustles you can start today. And the best part is, you can totally start with skills you already have. First up, we've got freelance writing. Are you good with words? Do you enjoy crafting compelling stories or sharing your knowledge through writing? Well, AI tools like ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. You can use these tools to help you brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, even draft entire articles or blog posts. Don't worry, it's not about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. Think of it like having a superpowered writing assistant by your side. And the earning potential? Many freelance writers are making anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Not bad for a side gig, right? Next, let's talk about social media management. Every business needs a strong online presence, and many are turning to social media managers to help them out. With AI, you can streamline the entire process. You can use tools to help you create engaging captions, schedule posts in advance, and even analyze data to see what's working and what's not. It's like having a whole social media team at your fingertips. Now, how about this, faceless YouTube channels? You heard that right. You can create and run a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Tools like AI and video allow you to generate high-quality videos using just a script. You can create explainer videos, educational content, even top 10 lists, all powered by AI. And the earning potential here is huge. Some creators in this space are making upwards of £20,000 a month. Finally, let's talk about data annotation. Data annotation is basically labeling data to help train AI models. You can do this in your spare time, and it's a great way to earn some extra cash. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this is awesome, but where do I even begin? Don't worry, I got you. Let's break it down into a few simple steps. First things first, identify your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Do you have a knack for writing, designing, organizing? Maybe you're a whiz at social media or have a passion for a specific niche. Start with what you know and love, and then see how you can integrate AI tools to enhance your process. Once you've got your skills locked in, it's time to choose the right AI tool for the job. There are tons of options out there, each with its own strengths and capabilities. If you're looking to up your writing game, ChatGPT is a great place to start. For social media management, tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can be super helpful. And if video creation is your jam, definitely check out AI in Video. Now it's time to put yourself out there and offer your services. Platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and even freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr are fantastic places to find potential clients. Create a simple portfolio showcasing your skills and the AI tools you use. Don't be afraid to reach out to businesses directly and let them know how you can help them achieve their goals. And lastly, the golden rule: stay consistent. Listen, I get it. Starting something new can be scary. You might be thinking, what if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if I don't know what I'm doing? Trust me, those doubts are totally normal. Everyone feels them at some point. But here's the thing, you don't have to have it all figured out from day one. The beauty of starting a side hustle is that it allows you to experiment, to learn, and to grow at your own pace. Remember all those success stories we talked about? Many of those people started with zero experience, just a willingness to learn and a whole lot of hustle. They didn't let fear hold them back, and neither should you. The key is to start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose one side hustle, one AI tool, and focus on mastering it. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually expand your offerings. And most importantly, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of online communities, forums, and resources available to support you on your journey. So there you have it, guys. AI isn't just some futuristic concept, it's a powerful tool you can use right now to earn extra income, all while keeping your day job. We've talked about the myth of quitting your job, real people making real money, simple side hustles you can start today, how to get started, and most importantly, overcoming that fear. Remember, it all comes down to taking that first step. Identify your skills, pick an AI tool, and start small. Dedicate those 2 hours a day, stay consistent, and watch as your side hustle flourishes. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Subscribe to AI Tech Think and comment below. What AI side hustle are you excited to try?